Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This beautiful property is located in one of Montego Bay's most prominent communities, known as Ironshore. It sits on 0.35 acres of land. This home has 7 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms and 2 powder rooms. The ground floor has a 1-bedroom apartment. The first floor consists of 3 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, built-in closets, walk-in closets in master bedroom, 2 verandas, one at the front and the other at the back, kitchen, powder room, and laundry room. The second floor has a similar layout as the first floor. Each floor can be easily separated for income generation or opened up as one family house. The property also features a swimming pool, enclosed double-car garage, manicure lawn, remote gate, CCTV system, and ocean views from the back verandas. The setting is very quiet and serene. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 700,000 or Jamaican $107.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.